Alright guys, we got a couple motorcycle cops up here. We call them Evil Knievels. There's a couple motorcycle cops. I don't know if he's doing a DUI or what, or I don't see a vehicle though. So I'm not sure what he's doing. Oh, he's getting ready to take off now because I walked up. Unless there are cars over here behind the bushes. We got this cop here. I don't see anything over here. There's only one cop here and there's two motorcycles. She's on the phone. Recording him. I'm recording him. I was telling her I'm recording him. Well, there's the other cop there. He's over here walking around. He's getting ready to cross, I think. He's putting his gloves on. He's getting ready to take off. This will probably take off too. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. Oh, they're waiting on. What's this cop doing? Keeps driving back and forth by here. She's got a ticket in her hand. So she got a citation for something. Not sure what it was.